only me. Thanks very much for clicking onto my video. I'm at Thailimeleaves Restaurant. Gonna go and check out their awesome dinner special. It's quite a new place to Weston, but I went on the Facebook page and their food looks absolutely amazing. First impression of this place, it is so nice in here. This is the menu we've come in for the lunch deal. Very reasonably priced. All the food is freshly made, and also, so if you're like me and you're a bit, I like a little bit of spice but not too much, they'll ask you how spicy you want it or least spicy, and they'll just cook it to whatever, you know, whatever taste you like. If you've got any allergies, vegan, anything like that, they can cater for that. They were just saying, like, you know, pretty much they can cater for everybody, which is fantastic. Can I have the Thai milky soda? So I've never had Thai food before, so it was really helpful that the staff was super helpful and helped me choose some. Look at this for a drink.
Okay, there's a straw.
So this is a milky soda. Let's try what it's like. Ooh. Oh, I'll just slop down myself as usual. So the coconut water has got flakes of coconut in it. To show you our starters, 1 second. So we've got fish cake and some tofu. So this is going to be my first time trying tofu. I've got to say, the presentation, as soon as it comes out, smell hits you, which smells amazing, but the presentation, spot on. So, do you know what, I'm going to try a little bit of tofu on its own without anything. It's not bad, and that's plain stuff.
We do collection only and collection.
Next I'm going to try the fish cakes, which smell absolutely beautiful. So, I'll just see what my camera lady's got.
Red curry.
This is an oyster sauce in this one. So that's the tofu, let's give it a go. The tofu acts like a little sponge. Very, very nice. So many flavours going on, it's lovely. So next is the red Thai curry. It's with chicken. Looking and smelling, yet again, smells absolutely fantastic. There's a nice big chunk of chicken on top. Oh, it's spicy as well. Oh, it's definitely heat to that. It's a slow burner. Very nice. So I'm just having a look at the dessert menu, and they taught me some Thai and told me how to pronounce some of it. So it's not roti, like I was saying, it's roti. That's right, mate. Roti. So I'm having a roti with bananas. Why are you laughing? Try and educate myself, and I just get mocked. Nasty.
So yeah, did you enjoy it?
Yeah, we've not
Yeah, really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
So out of 10, what would you give it? Sorry to.
I'd give this a full 11.
Yeah.
11 out of 10. Yes.
Yeah. Desserts are here.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So pretty.
Look at this. 10 out of 10. So this is the roti, not roti, roti with bananas. Ice cream, cream. It's like a crispy pancake, so it's like a crunchy, crispy, sweet on the outside, and it's like soft and lovely. I would definitely recommend coming here. So yeah, I'll put some links below for the Facebook and also Instagram. So yeah, check it out, and yeah, 10 out of 10, isn't it? Easy. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.